I wanted to make something kind of simple for dinner, so I just totally improvised this one pot pasta dish. I just cut up all the veggies, then I put some oil in the pan, then I added the onions, I did the celery, carrots and bell pepper, some salt, and of course pepper. I put these under the lid for a little bit, and then I added the mushrooms, added the minced meat, and some raw salt, the can of tomatoes, around 500 milliliter water,